In the good old days, a traditional travel agency, we have seen, say, 50 transactions for a given booking. Now with large online travel agencies, we see a factor of more than 100,000 transactions for a single booking. In only 20 years, the whole system, the whole industry has been massively changed. So Amadeus, we are the leading technology provider to the global travel industry.
We handle around 700 million passenger boardings a year, around 600 million passenger records booked in 2014.
It's really the principal electronic marketplace.
Travelers will rely on Amadeus, for instance, to check in their luggage, ensure that their flight takes off on time, ensure that when they arrive at their destination airport they're able to find their luggage. They will also, without knowing it, use Amadeus to find a hotel room for the night.
So it's the whole end-to-end experience that we cover.
There are big changes occurring in terms of mainly what we call the DevOps movement. And OpenShift is a great enabler of that. We are building a new platform on top of OpenShift called Amadeus Cloud Services in order to bring a well-defined framework to our developers and our operations teams.
What we currently work on is to connect more the analytical part with real-time applications so that we can provide personalization, a whole context to the traveler.
So the main business challenge for us was to give ourselves a multi-data center capability, giving ourselves the ability to move out into the cloud. Working with Red Hat has allowed us to bounce our ideas off smart people and get this initial review and this introduction into the OpenShift and Kubernetes worlds.
We wanted to take a conscious move to decouple the application from the underlying infrastructure.
Essentially, what we want to be able to do is to treat the data center as a pool of resources, one large pool of resources, and not have to worry about the details of each individual machine.
It was an appealing mean to map our existing applications through configuration onto a topology that can be used, instantiated and managed through a path like OpenShift.
OpenShift builds on top of Red Hat Enterprise Linux and the SE Linux features in order to really bring the security that's needed to Docker containers.
It's not a piece of software in the corner. It's the centerpiece of our application stack, the way we operate the whole system. And given the reputation and the contacts we have started to build with Red Hat, at the end it was quite a natural choice, I would say.